Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raditya Junardinata. I am a fourth semester student, majoring in informatic engineering. In this presentation, I will explain the design of a TOEIC training project that is tailored to the profession I want to pursue in the future, which is a front-end developer. What? Front-end developer. Profile and English language requirement. What is a front-end developer? A front-end developer is an IT professional responsible for building the user interface or UI and user experience UX of a website or application they work with. HTML or web page structure, CSS, styling and layout, JavaScript, logic and interactivity, frameworks or libraries such as React, Vue, or Angular. Their main responsibility include creating responsive user interfaces adaptable to various devices, optimizing website speed and performance, and collaborating with backend developer and UI/UX designer. Why is English so important? In the world of web development, English is the primary language of technology. Here are some reasons why front-end developer need to be proficient in English. A. Reading technical documentation. Almost all official documentation for frameworks like React, Angular, Vue is written in English. Example, if you want to learn React.js, its official documentation on reactjs.org is only available in English. B. Communication in global teams. Many tech companies, such as Google, Shopify, or remote startups, have international teams. Meetings, technical discussion, and code reviews are often conducted in English. C. Understanding error message and finding solution. When bugs occur, error messages in the console, such as type error, undefined is not a function, are always in English. Solution sources like Stack Overflow, GitHub issue, and developer forums are dominated by discussion in English. The most relevant TOEIC section for front-end developer. TOEIC consists of listening, reading, speaking, and writing. For a front-end developer, the most relevant sections are A. Reading comprehension. Reason. Reading technical documentation, tutorial, and programming article requires strong reading comprehension skills. The TOEIC reading section tests your ability to understand long text quickly in a professional context. B. Listening comprehension. Reason. It's important to understand instruction in meetings, technical video tutorial, or podcasts. The TOEIC listening section helps train comprehension of business conversation and presentation. C. Speaking comprehension. Reason. Discussing with team members like back-end developer, UI/UX designers, and product managers. Presenting technical solution during meetings. D. Reading comprehension. Reason. Writing readme.md files. Project usage guides on GitHub. Adding code comment to support collaboration. Creating bug reports or feature requests. For week TOEIC training program. Week 1. Focus on technical vocabulary and TOEIC reading basics. Learning objective. Understand technical vocabulary in web development like framework, debugging, and responsive design. Improve reading speed and comprehension of long text. Types of practice. Reading technical article like React.js and documentation. And then TOEIC reading part 7 exercises. Single and multiple passage. Learning resource, website, MDN web docs, free code camp. Week 2. Listening comprehension and technical discussion. Learning objective. Improve understanding of technical conversation in English. Learn to grasp the main ideas in TOEIC audio recording. Type of practice: TOEIC listening part 3 and 4 simulation, business conversation and presentation. Learning resources: app Duolingo English Test. Week 3, grammar and writing for technical documentation. Learning objective: understand formal sentence structures for writing documentation. Practice TOEIC reading. Type of practice: writing a readme.md file for a GitHub project in English. And then TOEIC grammar practice part 5 and 6. Learning research website Grammarly. Week 4, TOEIC test simulation and review. Learning objective: assess skills with a full practice test and analyze mistakes and improve weak areas. Types of practice: full TOEIC simulation test, listening and reading. Group discussion to review and explain answer. Learning resource website TOEIC Test Pro. Sample TOEIC practice question for front-end development. Number 1. Reading comprehension. Text. React.js is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It allows developers to create reusable UI components, making the development process more efficient. To install React, you need Node.js and npm Node Package Manager installed on your computer. Question: what is React.js primarily used for? A. Backend development. B. Building user interfaces. C. Database management. D. Server configuration. Correct answer is B. Building user interfaces. Number 2. Listening comprehension. Audio. Man. Have you fixed the responsible design issue on the homepage? Woman. Not yet, but I've checked the CSS media requires. It should work after the next deployment. Question: What problem? What problem are they discussing? A. A JavaScript error. B. A responsive design issue. C. A server crash. D. A database failure. Correct answer is B. A responsive design issue. Number 3. Reading comprehension. Text. Bootstrap's great system use to create responsive layouts. For example, call MD6 means the column takes 6 out of 12 available units on devices. Answer choices: A. Black box or extra small. B. Containers or large. C. Rows and columns or medium. Correct answer is C. Rows and columns medium. Listening comprehension audio. We need to refactor this legacy function that uses callback hell. Look at this data filtering section. We can simplify it using a raw function and method chaining. Remember to handle errors with try and catch for cleaner code. Question: which modern ES6 Plus techniques was not mentioned in the conversation for code improvement? Answer choices: A. Promises with dot then. B. Assign and wait. C. Raw function. D. Method chaining. Correct answer is B. Assign or await. Number 5. Listening comprehension audio. Woman. The API response time is causing delays in our product listings. How should we handle this in front end? Man, let's implement skeleton screens while loading. We can also add client-side caching with local storage as a fallback. Woman, good idea. I'll create loading status for the product card component. Should we show error boundaries if the API fails? Man, yes, but with user-friendly message. Maybe a retrieve button too. Question 5a. What problem are they discussing? A. Image optimization. B. API response delay. C. CSS conflicts. D. Mobile responsiveness. The answer is B. API response delay. 5B. What solution does not appear in the conversation? A. Skeleton screens. B. Error boundaries. C. Server-side rendering. D. Client-side caching. The answer is C. Server-side rendering. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.